There are many service providers out there, but we're sure you want a good one with professional touch. We have it.
Hello, affiliate marketing strategies for your business. Sounds confusing, interesting. It's all of these things. Hello, my name is Bill Morrow, and I'm here to give you a guide straight through to the best system that I have come across in my 9 years odd of internet marketing. The system itself is so simple and straightforward. It's a whole system devised on YouTube videos, and all you got to do is watch the individual video, and then as you watch the video, then you simply copy exactly what's made in the video, and by doing so, you then achieve a first-class system which runs. Secret number one, it runs virtually on its own once you've set it up. The other main big thing about internet marketing is it is one of the best systems you can run online, and particularly in this particular climate with lockdowns and all sorts of things like that, wherever it is, you can work from home, you can work from your laptop, you can work anywhere you wish. The option is yours entirely. And in this day and age, it is perfect. It is a perfect situation. So all you have to do is to get into the system, go down below and click on the link which is in the description box, and from there I will lead you through a whole system of extra information all about the program itself. So I'm not just going to push the program on you. The program has to be looked at, has to be decided on, and from my point of view, it is one of the best. And I have worked it and am working it, and I found it excellent. So down below, get more information, and I'll see you on the inside. Take care.
So do yourself and your business a favor. Join today. You have all the facts, so click the link below to get started today.